Today I'm going to show you a few tips to do if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on Motorola Edge 50 Pro. So if you have a problem to find your Bluetooth gadget, always start from the simplest way. So switch off and switch on again the Bluetooth connection to restart it. You can also try to restart your phone. You have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory has activated pair mode, and how to activate it you will find the manual to your device or maybe on the YouTube channel, so just check it and be sure that your Bluetooth accessory should be visible for other devices. But it's still not for your phone. Let's open settings, then go to the system and choose reset options. Select the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi and tap on the reset settings button. The next step, you can also try to update your system, so go to the settings like before and choose system updates. Tap on the check for updates button if you have any, install it and check for your device again. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.